I know you're hungry. Finna peel these potatoes. Matter of fact, bro, regular potatoes really mid as hell, but that's all I got, so, you know, we finna rock with it.
Bro, I'm hungry. What's for lunch?
What's for lunch, nigga? These nuts. Sorry, bro. My tether be coming out sometimes. I apologize.
Who the hell is making that noise?
Damn.
Man, this spot by sorry as shit.
Man, who the
Man, these is weird. Bet your broke gave him 4 sweet potatoes. Get this out of here.
Odell.
Bro, I know they're mid, but I put my whole foot into them hoes.
Who the raised you? Ungrateful ass. That's true. You don't pay rent.
Your mama don't pay rent in her casket.
Flush. Man, you know this. Real don't flush.
You finna be the fakest today, or God still help me.
Dirty.
And get my weave wet, you got me 14 different types of up.
I'm finna show you the 15 type. Get your
Strong face.
You two tripping. Bounce off this can't even count. Ain't that right, little buddy?
You grab the knife.
You been in several.
Yes, you are.